never thought that I would be in a place like this with you. I never think, but I know you do. We're sitting on a vintage bench with the city at our feet. We're sitting, it's only you and me. You take off your shoes, we play the tambourine. You dancing on the corner of the street. Everywhere I go, I hear the melody. You whistling and no one cares but me. Of tall trees, there's nothing there, only birds and bees. We used to come here, remember when we were kids. At that time the world was green. We grew up together, we overcame our fears, playing our roles in harmony. As I told you 1,000 times, I do believe we have a life to retrieve. Every day I wake up and the sun comes up. Look through your window, I'll be waiting up. Through the door, there's an open world to see. A new way to walk for you and me. One way ticket to a dream, a place where we can live, built by your love, your faith, your words, your stars, your name, your eyes, your broken hearts, your destiny. You have the key. I never thought that I would be in a place like this with you. You never thought that I could be there too. I never think, but I know you do. You are those who can see through. Every day I wake up and the sun comes up. Look through your window, I'll be waiting up. Through the door, there's an open world to see. A new way to walk for you and me. One way Nobody ever knows, nobody ever sees. I left my soul back then, oh I'm too weak. Most nights I pray for you to come home, praying to the Lord, praying for my soul. Now please don't go. Most nights I hardly sleep when I'm alone. Now please don't go. Oh no, I think of you whenever I'm alone. So please don't go. 'Cause I don't ever wanna know, don't ever wanna see things change. 'Cause when I'm living on my own, I wanna take it back and start again. Most nights I pray for you to come home. I'm praying to the Lord, praying for my soul. Now please don't go. I said, well, most nights I